Okay, this is the KD Angelique vertical steam engine running. Not really good at making videos. This is John, aka Green Machine, trying to make a video for you, but I'm not too good at it. You'll have to be patient. You can see it from this angle. And I'll move around so we can get around to the other side of the engine. It's running very smoothly. Oscillating piston doing its thing up there. Here's the little bowl to collect the liquid that collects at the bottom of the crankshaft. That's why it's got the little copper cover over the crank. Nothing coming out there. No, nothing coming out there at the moment that I can see. Try and zoom in a bit further, closer. Very smooth runner, seems to run extremely smoothly. That's the exhaust pipe, just to give a bit of sound to the engine. I'm zooming it out again.